Are you ready to take your career to new heights? Cloud computing is the future of technology, and Amazon Web Services is leading the way. At Florida Atlantic University, we're offering an exciting opportunity for students to gain in-demand skills and earn an industry-recognized AWS-certified Cloud Practitioner certification. Cloud computing powers the world's biggest companies and enterprises, from Netflix to NASA. But it's not just about technology. It's about how technology transforms industries, creates opportunities, and drives innovation. With Amazon Web Services, you'll learn how to build, secure, and manage cloud solutions that are shaping the digital world. Our course provides hands-on training in core services in the cloud, such as computing, storage, security, and networking. You won't just learn concepts, you'll gain practical experience in the Amazon Web Services environment, preparing you for success in one of the fastest-growing fields in information technology. And the best part? This program is designed for accessibility in mind. You'll receive personalized support, flexible learning options, and the chance to apply your skills through challenges, games, hands-on projects, and paid internships. These internships provide invaluable real-world experience, allowing you to work alongside industry professionals, expand your network, and gain the competitive edge employers are looking for. This program is part of FAU's larger initiative to create opportunities in technology for individuals with disabilities. Don't miss this chance to jumpstart your career in cloud computing. Enroll today and take your first step into the future at Florida Atlantic University and Amazon Web Services.